money, yay or nay for a student? So we have our star guests here. Let's say hi to Happy and Nugget. Hi!
Hi.
So how is your day?
We're doing fine.
Are you excited for this podcast?
We're so excited for this podcast.
Okay, let's start. Alright, let's start with your opening statement. What is e-money, yay for a student?
Simple. Confidence, discount, and budget as a student are our goal. Money lets me pay for everything with my phone.
Okay. Strong start. Happy. Your rebuttal. Why is e-money nay for a student?
I think money is very useful to overspending and financial irresponsibility. When you're not disciplined handling over cash, it's easy to lose track of how much you're spending. Plus, I'm worried about the security risk.
Oh, so you're saying it's too easy to lose control. And Nadia, how do you respond to that?
I think it's a matter of self-discipline. If you're responsible and set rules for yourself, money can actually help you stay on control of your finances. And for people, most every platform have strong best.
And what about the fees? Are there any hidden costs associated with money?
That's another reason why I'm thinking some money platforms such as Friction, which are monthly fees, which can really add up over time.
That's true. So also benefit of free options